Welcome. In this guide, you're going to learn how to enable the Show as pop-up feature for outgoing and ongoing call notifications in the X app. This is especially useful if you want call alerts to appear instantly on your screen without having to pull down the notification bar. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight into your settings menu. This is where all your device's customization options are located. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists every application installed on your device, so you can find and control their permissions, notifications, and other features. Now, from the list, locate and tap on the X app. This will open the app's information page, where you can manage its data, permissions, and notification settings. Once you're inside the X app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you can adjust how the app alerts you about new activity. Here, tap on Notification Categories. Many apps use notification categories to give you more control over what kind of alerts you receive and how they appear. From the list of categories, look for the one labeled Outgoing/Ongoing Calls and tap on it. Inside this category's settings, find the option that says Show as Pop-up. Toggle this switch on. By enabling this option, your phone will display outgoing and ongoing call notifications in a visible pop-up that appears over whatever you're doing, making it much easier to answer or manage calls without switching screens. That's it, you've successfully enabled Show as pop-up for outgoing and ongoing calls in the X app. From now on, whenever you make or receive a call through the app, you'll get a clear pop-up notification right on your screen. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you multitask or want to respond to calls more quickly. Try it out and see how it improves your experience. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out other ways to customize your app notifications so you can tailor your phone's alerts exactly to your needs. Thanks for following along.